Hi, I'm Bradford, Marketing Assistant here at Archant. Today we'll be discussing bookmatching with Archant porcelain. Bookmatching is an effect where we join an A and a B slab, primarily our marble designs, creating a seamless flow of the vein from one slab to the other. How this pattern is created is by the design from the A slab is reflected on the B slab, so when it is joined, it creates a mirror effect reminiscent of an open book. Is bookmatching more expensive? The short answer, yes, because you need to take into consideration the extra sheets and the extra labour that is included. However, you can use this design sparingly with just including it as a feature wall rather than covering the entire space. Some of the ways bookmatching can be used is in a simple feature wall or around a fireplace with its high heat resistant properties, creating a seamless effect with the vein flowing around. You can also include it in your bench top with a waterfall edge with the vein seamlessly flowing down to the floor, or you can include it with your mitered bench top to have the vein rolling over to create a thicker bench top appearance. The other option with your bench top is taking that pattern and seamlessly flowing it up into your splash bag. This effect can also be utilised with our Archant porcelain as flooring tiles, as you can repeat the A, B slabs to create a seamless effect across your entire space. If you have any more questions around bookmatching or Archant porcelain in general, head over to our website. You can order free samples of our range to help make decisions in your next project. If you want to stay up to date with our latest product ranges, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.